Morning people, we're back for another hotel tour this morning, the Hyatt House in Fort Lauderdale. So it cost me £136 to stay last night. The parking is additional, that costs $15 a night. That's the alternative, the Hyatt Place. So the difference between these two is the Hyatt House is more for extended stays, I'd say. And families, so it comes with bigger rooms. Whilst we're on that subject then, so room wise you can get a king studio suite, a double executive suite, you can get a 1-bedroom king suite and 2-bedroom suites. So they do have oh, hello mate, off he goes. So they do have accessible versions of them, of quite a lot of them rooms, so you like rolling showers and things like that. But you get a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge, oven, microwave, dishwasher, loads of parking. That's us. Okay, let's go back in through the lobby. So the other room features, you obviously get free Wi-Fi, flat screen TVs. They've got a desk in the room, so if you're working, you should have plenty of space. They do also have an outdoor pool, a gym. They do a free airport shuttle if you need one. They've got a little on-site market, very small, a bar. So this is the bar. First thing, as you walk in the lobby, you're going to have the H bar that's immediately on your right. This also, just down to the left here, this also turns into where they would have the breakfasts. So you just carry on down there and turn left, which is where they would dish the food at. In fact, we're going to go back this way. I'll work my way around there in a minute. You can typically check in here at 3 PM. Checkouts at 11. If you want to book your airport shuttle, you can do it on that keypad there below that screen. So this is the small market area. It is very small, so get a few drinks, some bits of alcohol if you want anything, chocolates. Like I say, there's microwaves in the rooms if you want a quick snack. However, there is a Panda Express over the road. I'll show you where that is. That's what we went with. You've got an ATM machine over there. This is the only lift that's working currently, which is a bit of a nuisance really, but this is the breakfast area. And you've got an internet cafe style. Them doors will also take you out to the pool. But if we carry on down here, we will come towards the gym. If there's nobody in, we'll go and have a look. So it's the first door on the right. There's nobody in. So you've got your treadmills and your free weights. Right, so back out of the gym, that door there will take you to the swimming pool. We're just going to carry on down this corridor. This will take you to another lift that as of today isn't working. So at the end of this corridor on the left, there's a door where we saw the little lizard. That'll take you back out to the car park. Yeah, through that door there. That's where we saw our little mate. And then to the right, first on the right, is where the lift is. Unfortunately, that's not working. And then this is the laundry. Oh, there's no light switch. Right. Well, there is a laundry. I just can't find the lights. Oh, there we go. Right, so what's that? You've got 3 washers, 3 dryers. Yeah, bit of a table at the end if you want to hang around and watch your washing. And then further down this corridor, you can get back out towards the car park, the self-park. Oh, bloody hell! The self-parking area. And just go to the right, which is where the swimming pool is. I think there's actually people in the pool, some kids in there and whatnot, so I don't really want to be filming the pool area, but just behind that black fence then. Yeah, so that's all your pool area there. It's not very big, but does the job. If you're only here for a short time, especially if you're only going to the cruise port. And then we'll go back in through this door. This will take us to where the internet cafe area was, all that seating area. That's the same lift. This is just the rear access point for the lift. Yeah, so all this area, these doors on the left here, is where they will serve the food for breakfast. It is complimentary, and then all the seating then goes round and carries on going to the right here. There's plenty of room. We didn't have any issues. The hotel itself is just under 4 miles to the airport. It's really close to Port Everglades, which is where we'll be going shortly. And it's not far from the shopping and dining areas. You can literally walk to the restaurants from here, so it's pretty convenient for families, or if you're not driving or anything like that. So if you come out of the hotel and turn to your left, said I'd just show you where Panda Express is. I did show this on another video, but I do like a Panda Express. In fact, we'll go through here. We'll get a better view of it from just beyond this car. And that is Panda Express. So right, there's not much else to show you. I better go and get ready to go and get on the cruise. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.